Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. And today is another challenge, 5 under 5. And we have two hosts, Missy from Crafty Cove DIY and Emily from Farm Charm Chic. And the guest host is Kendra, Late Night Creations. And you will find the links to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to visit them, give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and giving that big thumbs up. And remember, when you subscribe, we grow together. Look at this beautiful birdhouse. We begin by taking this piece of rope right in here, and this is being used for the hook. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it, and the colors that I'm going to be using throughout this video is white, blush, and cloudless. And I'll begin painting the birdhouse with the color cloudless. Now that it is completely painted in the four corners with the color blush, I'm going to paint the entire border as you see here, and I will do the same thing to the roof. And now with this skewer stick, I'm going to go ahead and paint it with the color blush, just a little piece, because that's what we are going to go ahead and glue in front of this birdhouse. And we are going to be putting a little bird on top of here. You'll see. So let's go ahead and paint birdhouse number 2. This little birdhouse is also from Dollar Tree. This one I bought it last year, and look how small. The first one was also from Dollar Tree, and you saw how they have stepped up their game. Now this one I'm going to be using the color cloudless the opposite way, so the roof will be cloudless and the rest of the house is going to be with the color blush. And I'm going to be doing the same process as I did to the first birdhouse. This time I'll be painting it with the color blush. I cut it, but this time because the hole was already in there, I just used a hammer. And as you can see, everything is coming together. Now I have this third little birdhouse that I purchased at a garage sale with a lot of other little stuff in a box. I gave $2 for a whole box full of things, and this was one of the items in the box. And the same colors I'll be using for this little birdhouse. And this little plaque here, I also got it at Dollar Tree. I'll be giving it 2 coats with white chalk paint. I also want to remind you that this is part of a open collaboration. Make sure to visit these young ladies and give them a lots of love. Don't forget. And this is Eddie. I am babysitting. He is my older son's cat, and he is adorable. And now I'm going to go ahead and distress it with the same color cloudless. And with this drill, I'm going to be creating 3 holes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the skewer stick. I'm gonna be painting it, of course, with white chalk paint, and this is how I'm going to go ahead, and this is gonna be actually the stand for the birdhouses. Just keep watching, this will all make sense. So as you see, I'm just trying to find the middle, like that I can drill a hole right on the middle. And then with the dowel stick, I'll just go ahead and do the same thing that I did to the first one. And I'll be doing that to all 3 birdhouses. And look at how everything just came together. I am loving this. And here is the bird. Now this bird, I got it at Dollar Tree several years ago. I can't even remember when. And it has its own little clip, but I don't like it with the clip. I just show you that you could put it with a clip if you want it, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clip, and I'm gonna be using some hot glue. And now it's time to add flowers and a beautiful bow as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put them facing each other, and with some chew twine, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it, make a knot, and then once that knot is completed with some hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right here, just as you see. This is gonna look absolutely stunning. Look at how gorgeous. Those colors are all coming together. And now I also have a pink ribbon, and I'm gonna make a beautiful bow and put it right here in front of, or I should say in the middle of the flower arrangement. And I also have this little bitty flower, and it's white, of course, and I'm going to be placing it right here. Look at how gorgeous. And now I'm going to go ahead and take 4 Jenga blocks. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 sets of 2. And once done, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm coming back with some white chalk paint, and I'll give it 1 coat. So I took some hot glue and I am gluing these right here, and these are going to be the legs. This is so beautiful. And again, my friends, don't forget to visit that playlist. And if you are stopping by from one of the other channels, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy these beautiful DIYs. And with these shallow box from about 2 years ago, I bought them at Dollar General, and they were on sale because the season had passed, and they were 90% off. So I paid 10 cents and I purchased several of them, and today I will be recycling 2 of them. I'm going to be giving it that same blush color, and I'll be giving it 2 to 3 coats. And this little craft cut-offs, you could buy them at Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it some color. Okay, and now it's time to put all of this together. So with some hot glue, all I did was put it right here, and I have a little bowl, and with some more hot glue, this project is completed. Look at how gorgeous. And for the second shallow box, I'm gonna go ahead and use the cloudless color in the inside, and I'll be giving it 2 coats. And this was left over. The little piece of wood and the little flower was somewhere in my stash. And as you can tell, it's nice and distressed. And I have this other ball that I'm going to be gluing right up here. Now, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Like that, I can see you in my next video and let me know which one is your favorite DIY. And using this wreath from Dollar Tree, I've been using these wooden beads for a while, so that's why it looks just the way it looks. I'm going to take 5 wooden beads and I'm going to, as you can see, paint it with white chalk paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and put those to the side, and I'm coming in with this cloudless color, and I'm taking another 5 wooden beads and I'm going to do the same process. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and take this color blush that I've been using throughout my video, and I'm going to do the same process once again. Okay, now it's time to put this garland together. I'm taking, of course, some jute twine, and I'm going to take a pink, a blue, and a white. And I'm going to do that process several times. And I also purchased these wood rounds at Hobby Lobby. They were $5 minus 40%. And they come 5 in a package. And as you can tell, it already comes, part of it is like painted already. So I'm just gonna take out this rope out of here and I'm gonna tie it to the garland. And now it is time for the tassel. I'm going to be using this one right here. This is a window cling that I bought last year. And the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put some Mod Podge right here, making sure that that window cling doesn't move from its place. I think this window cling is so beautiful, and the rose is pink, so it goes exactly with the color that I've been using throughout my video. This is absolutely gorgeous. Please let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far. This is simple yet so beautiful. So this little home plaque or sign, I bought it at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be removing this flower, and I'm going to go ahead and be cleaning this little glue off of there. I'm helping it with some heat so like that it could come out easier. And once I clean that, I'm going to give it about 2 to 3 coats with the same blush chalk paint. I also purchased these little flowers at Dollar Tree. And for those that don't know, this little fella here, his name is Monkey. He's my son's cat. I've been babysitting for them for a while, and he is absolutely adorable. Look at him. He is so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and take these flowers, and I'm going to take some, well, actually they come with their own glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick them on. This is it for this beautiful DIY. If you are coming from one of the other channels, I am so happy that you decided to stop by. Please consider subscribing, and don't forget that bell button. Like that, you won't miss any of my new videos. Don't forget that thumbs up. Every time you give me a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you like my video, and it will push it to other viewers just like you. And look at this monkey, is all full of glitter. He has so much glitter on him. He's so cute.